So I'm Candice, I'm in year 13, and for Black History Month I set up or created an assembly PowerPoint on women in Windrush, and we wanted to focus on that topic because women are really underrepresented, so you don't really hear about stories to do with women, and I found out some interesting facts, women have to pay £20 more from the Caribbean to buy a ticket to go to Britain. And I think the point of the assembly was kind of to emphasise women's role. So majority of the women on the Windrush were actually, or the passengers were actually women, and how women contributed to the NHS and how it was created after the war. A lot of the nurses that came over were auxiliary nurses that were already educated, and they essentially helped create the NHS. So, yeah.
I'm Tara, and I'm from year 7, and I also helped deliver the assembly, and we learned a lot about the Windrush and how people boarded over, and they went from the Caribbean to Essex, Tilbury, and one thing that made me really interested was the fact that the women actually started the NHS, and I found that the women they deserve more, and the fact that they had to do more, save a man and a woman. They wanted the same thing, but the women had to do more to get that. So I thought women worked really hard at that time.